Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I hope everyone is doing well at home. I am also fine. I am Abu Zafar Al Zahid, lecturer in ICT Rajuk Uttara Model College. Welcome to our video lecture. In this video lecture, I will discuss the remaining lessons of Chapter 2 Computer Oriented Devices from Class 7 ICT book. Here is a picture of typical motherboard. Motherboard is a printed circuit board which provides communication among the hardware, input-output devices, memory, processor, all are connected through the motherboard. Various connection slots are available in motherboard like graphics card, NIC card, sound card, etc. Nowadays, these devices are built in with motherboards, so production cost is reduced. CPU socket, ROM, power connector are also available in motherboard. Motherboard is a chipset which is used for coordinate CPU with other parts. So it determines which CPU is compatible with motherboard. Motherboard also provides power supply to all parts connected with it. Motherboard is also called mainboard, circuit board, etc. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU sometimes is called processor or microprocessor. The most important component of a computer is its CPU. It is compared with brain of a computer. It is also called microprocessor or simply processor. It receives signal from software and works accordingly. High-tech devices like car, camera, mobile phone, TV, gaming console, etc. also have their built-in CPU. Now have a look at the major tasks of a CPU. It transfers data through input and output devices. CPU executes instruction, control all components of computer. Basic parts of CPU are ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and registered memory. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit performs mathematical tasks such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. and logical tasks like AND, OR, and NOT operation. Control unit controls the all works. Register memory is used to store temporary data which process instantly. Intel 4004 was the first microprocessor which was invented in 1971. It had around 2300 transistors. Now there are 227 crore transistors in Intel Core i7 processor. Processors are built with numerous ICs, means integrated circuit, and these ICs are made of transistors. The computer understands and carries out the commands given in different languages by people of different races and anthropological groups. How can this machine understand them? Perhaps you are very much curious about knowing the answer of this question. The simple answer is that the computer does not understand any language at all. It only understands its own language. It has only two numerical figures in its language, 0 and 1. 0 means the electricity from 0 to 2 volts and 1 means the electricity from 3 to 5 volts. The name of this language is machine language. Suppose that you can talk in Bengali and English language but want to talk to a French speaking person. What will you do? You have to seek the help of an interpreter who will cooperate you to communicate with that person. In the same way, we need conversion program or software to get the processor to comprehend our language. The machine language has fixed codes for every letter and symbol. All the languages of the world. Conversion program changes our language to codes comprehensible to the processor. There are different types of codes. ASCII is a kind of code. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For example, ASCII code is 8 bits code. Every letter or symbol has a 8-bit ASCII code value. ASCII code value is converted into machine language like zeros and ones. In this picture, you can see that the letter S ASCII value is 65, which is converted into machine code 01000001. B letters ASCII code is 66. C letters ASCII code is 67. This ASCII code then is converted into machine code. Machine code combines only 0 and 1. Currently, most popular code is Unicode. When you will be programmers, you will understand the machine language along with many other languages. Sound card is a device which is very much common in today's ICT-oriented machines. It works as both input and output devices. It can take input by microphone. Most of the sound card transform digital data into analog sound and send it through speaker or headphone. Built-in sound card is good enough for general purposes. Nowadays, most modern motherboards have built-in sound card chip, but sometimes music lovers add high-quality sound cards in motherboard's slot. USB ported external sound card used for professional works like sound editing, sound composing, etc. Multimedia is the combination of various medias like text, audio, video, image, animation, etc. Computer can process, present, and store multimedia data. Multimedia is classified in two categories. One is linear multimedia, second is non-linear multimedia. Linear multimedia depends on time and no navigation system is available. Viewers cannot control the progress. It is like cinema, television. In cinema hall, we cannot control the progress, or in TV we cannot control the progress, means we cannot pause or cannot fast our video, etc. Nonlinear multimedia does not depend on time. Viewers can control the progress. When you use computer or mobile phone, you give commands using visual images or icons on the monitor. How are these images displayed on the monitor? The commands are controlled by the graphics card. It is also called video card, display card, or graphic adapter. Like sound cards, most of the graphics cards are built-in, though there are slots or sockets to connect disjointed graphics cards to the motherboard. But most modern processors have video or display chip with which they can display visual images without graphics card. All graphics card can display two-dimensional pictures, but now graphics cards are available that can show three-dimensional pictures. But a 3D monitor is required to watch 3D pictures. You can now watch live and bright pictures like sound cards. Graphics cards have input and output connectors. Also, it has a separate port for playing games, so you can easily connect joysticks or other devices with your graphics card. Monitor is an output device, but touchscreen monitor also can take input. Mobile phone, tablet PC, laptop have touchscreen monitor. There are three types of monitors: CRT, LCD, and LED. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. The CRT monitor is a vacuum tube containing one or more electron guns and a fluorescent screen used to view images. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. The LCD screen is more energy efficient and can be disposed of more safely than a CRT. Its low electrical power consumption enables it to be used in battery-powered electronic equipments. LED, light emitting diode. Basically, this type of monitor has flat screen. It is less expensive, longer lifespan, and less environmental impact is the main feature of LED monitors. The output device that we need most after the monitor is the printer. We use it to print the output after being processed into the computer. We print the images after capturing them on digital camera. There are basically three types of printers available. One is dot matrix printer, second one is inkjet printer, third one is laser printer. Dot matrix printer uses a print head that runs back and forth on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper. Dot matrix printers are used to generally print carbon copies in hospital, departmental stores, manufacturing, and industrial sites. Advantages of the dot matrix printer is that it is very much low in cost. Disadvantage is its quality is very poor, it is very slow and noisy. Inkjet printer creates a digital image by propelling droplets of liquid ink onto paper, plastic, or other substances. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer. Printing photograph is also possible but expensive. Inkjet printer provides good quality printing. Laser printer uses laser technology. Laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. Laser printer provides high quality printing. It has faster speed. It is good for both text and images. Previously, it was very expensive but economical now. Speaker and headphone. Speaker converts electromagnetic waves into sound waves. It can be either built-in or external. We get all kinds of sound through the speaker. Headphone is another output device. It is used to listen sound without disturbing other people's. It is used in mobile phones, CD or DVD, MP3 or MP3 player, and laptop or personal computers. Multimedia projector is an electro-optical device. It can convert any data from the computer or any visual source to images that can be enlarged by using lens and viewed focusing on a wall or a screen. Modern projectors can display or create 3D images. Nowadays, pocket projector is also available which can be connected with mobile phone, tablet PC, etc. Thank you everyone for watching this video lecture. Allah Hafiz.